They should have some keywords in it for your customer or your ideal client, but not be keyword spammy, because it will just mean nothing to Google. But make sure there's that your title of your blog post obviously is speaking to your customer or your ideal customer. So I often use words in my blog titles or posts like paper crafter, journaling, scrapbooking, stickers, papers, pattern papers. General terms, there's usually one of those in my blog post title, so that it's obviously about my industry and my ideal customer. But your meta description, which is underneath that section, you need to fill that out with some of the synopsis from your blog post. So if you want to pull the first paragraph and chuck it into the meta description, even better though is to take your blog post, put it into ChatGPT and say, hey, can you give me a synopsis of this blog post? What are the important points? Like, pull out for me what's important in this blog post in a little paragraph, and use that in your meta description.